Good day, and welcome to this GoldCap Resources video news update. Things are happening very quickly for the GoldCap team as they prepare to go to the Black Swan Conference in Portugal later this month. And here to give us an overview of the company and its objectives and the activities is Mr. Robert Harrision, Director and CEO of GoldCap Resources. Welcome, Robert.
Thanks, Kim. Thanks for having me.
So we've got a few things that we want to cover, some acquisitions and different activities of the company. But before we begin, perhaps you could give us an overview of the company and what it's all about.
I'd love to do that. We love to talk about GoldCap because it was structured different than most other mining companies. GoldCap, when it was formed and we sat around, it was structured in such a way that we tried to mitigate risk. It wasn't just about acquiring an asset. It was about creating pillars of strategies around what we would acquire and how we would acquire it. And some of the key items for us was it in a friendly government area? Was it friendly to mining? Did it have infrastructure? Did they have roads and power? Did they have a workforce? You know, how many horror stories have you heard in the mining business where they spent billions of dollars building an infrastructure to try and get to the resource? We tried to make sure that none of those were in the area that we were looking at. And so once we'd established those pillars, we then set out to acquire assets that would fit within that business.
So you're operating in Chile, very mining-friendly country.
Very much so.
And you're located in the El Salvador area.
That's correct. We are 7 kilometers away from Codelco, which is the largest copper producer in the world. They're producing huge, I think they produce 28% of the copper that comes out of Chile. They're a huge copper producer, and they have all that infrastructure there, and they've been producing in that particular area for 30 plus years and will continue on probably for another 30 plus years and continue to move in the direction of where our property is.
Chile, very well established in mining and a very friendly environment there indeed, close to the stores. If you need something, it's not far away. Close to a major city and airport as well. So it sounds...
well, it's like we also like to call Chile, it's elephant country because the mining finds there are gigantic.
Oh, there's no elephants in Chile?
There's no elephants in Chile. Unfortunately, they all went. You know, but we are in a situation, we believe, where we're an elephant country and we believe we have an elephant. And that means that we have the capability of converting this into a very large, high production yield mine. And with all the infrastructure we talked about before, I mean, this is in the sweet spot of what we set this company up to be.
All right, well, love the metaphor. So diversification, you talked about that earlier, you're also looking at property in California.
Absolutely. We're very excited about a property that we've identified in California and have an option to purchase 100% of this company. It's in, as I say, it's in California, and it is in a sweet spot as well in the fact that there are roads, there's infrastructure, you can drive right up to the property, and it's got inferred findings of 700,000 ounces of gold. We're very comfortable that's factual, and we'll move to the next phase to prove that out. But again, a very stable environment. We're very comfortable with that acquisition, and we'll continue to look for others that meet the criteria of mitigating risk within our company for our shareholders' value.
So operations in Chile, soon to be in California, and you're heading off to the Black Swan Conference in Portugal. Tell us a little bit about that and what you expect to accomplish there.
Well, we're very excited. The whole management team is going over to Portugal. We're presenting to between 400 and 500 sophisticated investors and fund managers. As a matter of fact, the Black Swan Conference will be opened by the board, the exchange over there, so we'll meet all of the senior people there. And we anticipate that we will have many people that will like the story about GoldCap, especially in these difficult times, and how we have mitigated risk. And so we would anticipate to come away with people who would like to invest in our company, and we will have created a serious interest in the European market.
So a great opportunity to raise the company profile, and you expect to be on the Euronext exchange as well, I understand.
Absolutely. We've begun the process. We've filed our papers. There's been several questions that have come back, which we've responded to, and we will continue to do that. And, you know, with luck at all, we might be listed by the time we got there, but certainly the process is underway.
Well, there you go. Exciting times.
It absolutely is.
Is there anything in closing you'd like to say, or?
Well,
I'm sure we'll be doing this again soon.
Well, I hope so, because we like to keep our shareholders informed. You know, we have a new website. What we do, I would invite you to go to the website and take a look at the information that's there. And if you have any questions, please send them in because we embrace the questions of people that are interested in GoldCap. And if there's anything we can do, we'd love to try and help you out in that particular area. So please.
Great. So goldcapresources.com, that's where you go to get more information, recently updated. And thank you very much, Ron.
Thank you, Kim. Thanks for your time.
Look forward to doing it again soon.
I look forward to it.
All right.
Thank you.
And thank you.